Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can record a voiceover by using Canva. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to create a design. I already have a design. Now I want to add a voiceover on that design. So to do this thing, at first we need to click on the left side. There is an upload button is there. We just need to click here and the upload panel window will be opened over there. Now here there are two buttons are there. One is upload files and there is record yourself. To record our voice, we just need to click here, record yourself, and then very shortly it will open the camera and the voice all together. So here we'll see our face or something like that, and here we are seeing this is the record button is there. So to start recording, we just need to press it here and then it will start recording. To disable this camera, we can also click here so that the camera will be off. I'm going to click here so that camera will be turned off. And if you want to enable it, we can click here so that it will be enabled. Once we are ready, then it's time to press this record button. So I'm going to click this record button and it will start recording very shortly, 3, 2, 1 like this way. And now we are seeing here the progress bar is there. It is going to record our voice. Once the recording is finished and if we are happy with our recording, it's time to close this recording or to stop the recording. So at the time we have to press this done button, and there will be two options. One is done, delete, and there is play button. If you want to hear our voice or recording, we have to click here to start playing. Otherwise we can press this delete button so that it will be deleted. If we are not happy, then we can press this delete button and then it is asking delete your recording. We have to press delete and the recording will be deleted. Now it will ask you to start recording again. So once you are happy with that, then finally you can export this project or audio or video, whatever you want, and then you can use it for other purposes. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily record our voice by using Canva. Thank you guys for watching the video.